वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Life is all about energy, as life requires energy. Our life depends on it. Energy rules every form of life on earth. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but can be changed into different forms. This energy can be either positive or negative. And we all know that positive is favorable and negative is harmful. But how do we transform or create positive energies? Even modern science has no answer for this, whereas Vastu has. Vastu is an ancient building science which covers the philosophy and theory of architectural works to construct any building, as well as the living style of people. Blending the principles of ancient scriptures with modern science, Dr. Puneet Chawla, an internationally renowned clairvoyant and Vastu specialist, is offering Vastu services to the people of the modern era with a newer approach. Completely dedicated to serve the society, Dr. Chawla believes that problems and achievements in one's life are due to destiny, karmic effects, and environmental conditions. Yes, these three reasons, destiny, karmic effects, and environmental conditions for good and easy life can be manipulated by human beings, and one can guide his fortune. Vastu and Vedic scholar Dr. Chawla, an MBBS doctor in alternative medicine, has developed highly intuitive and scanning abilities to sense the negative and positive energies of a structure or a human body. He is blessed with this amazing sense after deep studies and learning from energy healing courses from the world-renowned institutes. His weekly columns and many write-ups in famous national dailies are read and appreciated throughout India. Apart from giving Vastu consultancy and contracts for corporate, industrial and residential structures, he provides corporate training courses as well. Today, Dr. Chawla is a brand name in Vastu. His name only generates positive energies in the minds of the readers and clients.
Normally people are very curious about Vastu. They want to apply Vastu but they fear, what is Vastu? This is something orthodox or what? Is this modern or what? So I'll tell you very simple funda about Vastu. Vastu है क्या? हम सभी लोग जानते हैं कि लॉर्ड ब्रह्मा ने हमारी बॉडी को क्रिएट किया है. ही इज़ अ क्रिएटर. हमारी बॉडी 5 एलिमेंट्स से बनी है. इसको हम पंच महाभूत तत्व भी कह सकते हैं. पंच महाभूत तत्व या 5 एलिमेंट्स, इनको हम लाइफ एलिमेंट्स बोल सकते हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट आर दीज एलिमेंट्स. अर्थ, स्पेस, एयर, वाटर एंड फायर, ऑल दीज एलिमेंट्स आर कॉल्ड पंच महाभूत तत्वाज. इन एलिमेंट्स के अंदर हार्मनी होना बहुत असेंशियल है. अर्थ एलिमेंट हैज़ गिवन आवर बॉडी अ शेप एंड पावर टू स्मेल. एयर एलिमेंट से हमें छूने की, टच करने की सेंसिटिविटी मिलती है. स्पेस एलिमेंट गिव्स अस पावर ऑफ साउंड, hearing. Yes, we cannot hear without the space element. Water element gives us all fluids in the body, blood circulation in the body. So we cannot survive without blood circulation. Now we talk about fire element. Fire creates thirst in our body. It assimilates our food. It creates heat in the body. Without heat, there is no energy in the body. And that is why we say all these elements are to be in harmony. to maintain a healthy body. Now you will be anxious why I am talking about 5 elements in relevance to Vastu. Yes, there is a relation to Vastu and 5 elements. As our body is used as a home for our soul, so as we use our building structure, our home, as to give a place to our human body. The same way our home is used to make the human body comfortably live in. And if any element is missing from the home building structure, the human body will be affected by any means, finances, health and relations. This is Vastu. Vastu means an environment which gives us healthy, prosperous and a tension-free living.
Most people all over the world will not think twice before spending huge amounts of cash on designing their houses, and they should rightly do so. But when the house does not bring them peace and harmony, and instead the ill effects of Vastu are experienced, the same people consult astrologers, palmists, tarot card readers, and some even blame their destiny or luck. Vastu is essentially the art of correct settings. One can place himself in such a manner as to derive maximum benefits. Vastu defects can be rectified by either reconstructing according to Vastu, which is very expensive and time-consuming, or sense those negative energies and remove those Vastu defects. Dr. Chawla specializes in sensing negative and positive energies in a building and is well known today for removing Vastu defects without any demolition.
This is generally believed that Vastu does not have corrections without demolition, but no, it is not right. Yes, Vastu has corrections without any demolitions. I will give you an example how. Suppose if you are feeling cold in a cold season, in a winter season, you cannot take away the cold, but you can use blankets, warm clothes, some warm tea that will take away your cold. This is the way we use remedies in Vastu science. We cannot take away the defects, but we can complement with lot of good energies, positive energies that will take away your defects and make you feel happy.
The feeling of purity, as pure as nature and natural water. The purity of love, as pure as soul. Think of all the pure forms which represent God, the Supreme Power. One who gives purity to the heart, to the seekers who are meditating upon Him. He gives inner purity. Hence, He is known as Pavitram. Yes, Pavitram, a range of natural products, tries to become a channel to help you feel and touch the purity of God. Inspired by purity, available in our Mother Earth and pure nature, Dr. Chawla, the founder of Pavitram, believes life is learning. It is schools which help you attain attunement with God, prepare you for moksha, and if some learning is left, your soul carries it forward to another life.
Everybody has problems. Have you ever thought why? Because we are drifting away from Mother Nature. We are so busy, we are talking on phones for hours, we are on roads, jam-packed roads, honking. This is a problem. I want you people to stick to nature. It gives me immense pleasure to offer you Pavitram, a range of natural products.
The efforts of Pavitram are to make your subconscious refined and awakened, to make your soul aware and connected with your conscious mind. With a complete range of essential oils, incense sticks, cones and natural products, here is what the basket of Pavitram has to offer. Pavitra Jal. This is Ganga Jal. Ganga is a very sacred river. It has strong religious and spiritual values. The energized Ganga Jal is magnetized by the quartz crystal and many other precious stones. These crystals are immersed in this water for 40 days. Dr. Chawla, being an advanced energy healer, directs positive energies in the water. This is done by meditating, concentrating on the water. The benefits: this water can be used to sprinkle in the house to eliminate all the negative energies. This should be especially sprinkled on the main door. Bad energies and bad spirits cannot stay against the positive energies. This water can be used as a solvent for bath spa. It takes away the negativity of the body. If this water is kept in the northeast direction, it removes the Vastu defects of the structure. Vastu Special Salt. As the name suggests, this special salt has a mixture of camphor, which is highly aromatic and has good cleansing and energizing properties. It has a blend of essential oils which has properties to elevate the positive environment and absorb the negative energies. This really helps to keep the environment fresh and healthy. This salt removes the Vastu defects of toilets. This should be kept in an open bowl to absorb the negativity of the area and should be changed every fortnight for better results. This salt can be used to wipe the floors to remove the negative energies by simply adding a handful to the bucket. This energized salt can be kept in your bedroom, living room, or office. This can be kept near the door also. This salt is also helpful in removal of evil eye. Highly energized with healing qualities, this salt can be added to our bathing water to get rid of all types of body aches. Even problems like arthritis have been removed with this amazing salt. This salt can be used in the sick person's room to remove the painful negative energies. Pavitra Salt. This is a raw sea salt in granules and crystal form. A must for every household, this salt is energized by Dr. Chawla for peace and harmony. Pavitra Camphor. As we all know that camphor is highly aromatic that gives positive energies. Its fragrance itself relieves pain as it absorbs the negative energies. Energized by Dr. Puneet Chawla, Pavitra Camphor helps in clearing off many Vastu defects, as Vastu is directly related to the energy of the environment. The aroma of camphor can be felt and absorbed by simply keeping it in a bowl near you or heating it on a candle lamp or electric diffuser. It can also be used as a powder to wipe the floors for wiping off the negative energies. Pavitra Dhuni. This is an age-old practice in many cultures of the world. A blend of herbs burnt on coal or cow dung cake or any burning base can be termed as dhuni. The smoke and aroma is very powerful as it cleanses the negative energies. It's a blend of cedar wood, gugul, frankincense, hermal, and camphor powder. It can be used by heating it on a candle lamp or electric diffuser.
From the basket of Pavitram, aroma oils is another product. Aroma oils are essential oils from flowers, herbs, and all nature plants. Aroma oils are wonderful reliever from headaches, psychological problems, all-day problems, anxieties, depression, and you name it, the problem is gone.
Pavitram essential oils in aromatherapy provide a healthier solution to the challenges facing modern lifestyles. Pavitram essential oils are therapeutic grade and deliver positive benefits to the body through smell, direct absorption into the skin, and by normal diffusers to burn the oil. It can be used anywhere in homes, offices, and cars. Pure essential oils in Pavitram oil collection are life-enhancing gifts from the plant kingdom, revered for centuries for their restorative properties to the body, mind, and spirit. Here is a wonderful combination of essential oils to aid you in leading a happy and healthier life. Anti-stress. Living a stressful life is no big news in today's fast-paced world. With deadlines looming and nerves twittering, many people seek out anxiety medication or other prescription drugs. A simple and natural answer to nervous tension is aromatherapy. Calm your nerves with anti-stress oil and relax. Here's how. Use a diffuser to burn the oil. It can be used anywhere, at home or in the office. Can be used on a handkerchief for inhalation. Can be used as a spray on the pillow. Better sleep. There's one other reason why aromatherapy may be effective for inducing sleep. If you are able to concentrate on the smell of the oils, it will help take your mind off whatever is lingering around that's keeping your muscles and your mind tense. Dr. Puneet's advice is just relax, breathe deep, and allow yourself to drift off into a calmer world of peaceful aroma and better sleep. Concentration is highly required for this competitive world, whether it's a student, scholar, scientist, or an engineer. Memory loss is generally seen in every age. Thereby, Pavitram oil for concentration shall be fruitful for better memory and greater concentration. Vastu aroma. Wherever there is habitation, there is evolution of subtle energies from the Vastu environment. These energies are negative and positive in nature. Negative energies result in depression, health problems, business losses, and all other daily life problems. One of the best ways to clear the negative is to burn and diffuse the Vastu aroma oil. This oil, if diffused in the center of the building structure, removes Vastu defects. Put few drops of this oil using a cotton near the main door to ward off negative energies. Anti-depression. Aroma oils blend can help you fight the depression problem. The blend is a wonderful reliever from depression. It gives a happy feeling. Aroma for peace. Aroma oil for peace is a wonderful blend to bring back peace in your life, and it feels like heaven. Aroma for good sex. Perhaps nothing is more important to humanity than love. And throughout history, love has been closely associated with sweet-smelling aromas. Pleasant aromas are an aesthetic delight, and they undoubtedly attract us. We want to be closer to the delicious smell to savor the experience. This aroma oil is surely good for a healthy married life to spend quality time with your spouse. Aroma for courage. This is a workable blend for inducing courage in oneself. Aroma for meditation. Aroma for meditation is aimed at calming the mind and lifting the spirit beyond the boundaries of the physical world to the realm of the divine. It can sensitize spiritual receptivity and open the gates of perception. Aroma for business. It's all about changing our attitude. Focus on the positive. Relax and rejuvenate so you have more energy to tackle your many tasks. This blend is helpful to create positive energies.
I know this world is full of negative and positive energies, but you have to cope up with. Filter all the negative energies from your life and extract positive energies. Make your life successful and get your want. God bless you.
So come, let's discover the freedom to live victoriously by applying Vastu to our lives and remove all those negative energies and welcome the plus, positive energies, and increase productivity, performance, efficiency, and create positive environment to attract more business and higher targets. Contact Dr. Puneet Chawla to bring home prosperity. good health, and complete peace of mind to feel and touch the purity of the Almighty.